Hi and welcome to my maths class. Today we're going to discuss the geometry. But before we start, we're going to go over the basics that you should have learned in grade 7, 8 and 9. Now the most common one is the straight line. What does the straight line say? It says that x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Now that's not the problem. The problem is when you write incorrectly. When you're doing geometry, you have to have a statement after every deduction. So if you decided x plus y is equal to 180 degrees, you have to tell me why. Now this reason is actually called adjacent supplementary because it's 180 degrees, which comes from the word supplementary, and adjacent means next to each other. Now children do use the reason, angles on a straight line, and it is acceptable, but I don't like it. It's better that you use valid reason, and adjacent supplementary is the valid reason. The next one you learned was vertically opposite, where x is equal to y. Again, you had made a statement, you have to validify it, which means vertically opposite. But we're not going to write like that. We're just going to write this, and then the marker would know, okay, she means vertically opposite. Now let's try a few examples. If you see here, this is 130 degrees plus 50 degrees, which is showing me it's 180 degrees. So what can I say about this one? 100 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Adjacent supplementary. Now at the adjacent supplementary, I can solve for x. X is equal to 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80. This is your normal standard solve for x. If you're not okay with your solving for x, you have to go under your section solving for x and master it. You need to go under your algebraic expression to know your factorizing and then to continue. Let's take the vertically opposite. If this one is 30, then immediately x would be 30. Now remember, vertically opposite means that the line has to be absolutely straight. You can't have a skew line. So vertically opposite is created by two straight lines cutting each other. So here we have x is equal to 30, and then I need a reason, and my reason is vertically opposite. Let's take the following one. Here again, two straight lines. I cannot overemphasize on the fact that it has to be straight lines. So we have y is equal to 115 degrees. Why? What is my reason? Because they're vertically opposite. Then what would x be? Now if you see here, that's on a straight line. So you can tell me x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Why is it equal to 180 degrees? Adjacent supplementary. Now if you substitute, we got x plus 115 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 65 degrees. Let's do this last example. Now if you look here, you see how I overemphasize straight line? This and this does not make a straight line. If I was going to say vertically opposite, I'd have to have a line running like that. But what I can see here is adjacent supplementary. So x plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees, adjacent supplementary, and that would mean x is equal to 140 degrees. What would y equal to? Again, can you see we have adjacent supplementary? Y plus 70 degrees is equal to 180. Reason. If you don't give a reason, you don't get a mark. So y is equal to 110 degrees. Thank you for watching.